Second one, write a Python program that matches a string that has an a followed by 0 or more bits. Okay, so whatever you entered a string from the keyboard, that starting letter must contain a and followed by 0 or more bits. Okay, so you have to write pattern like that one. So same thing, same ring, just we have to change the pattern here. Everything write in raw format, raw string. Okay, and starting must start with a letter. No, if you want to start with any letter, you have to write like this, or symbol and a. Okay, or symbol a and 0 or more b's. Okay, 0 or more b's means you have to write like in parenthesis b star. 0 or more b's means, okay, and dollar here, ending character must be b means you have to write a dollar here. It doesn't matter. Okay, write dollar here, simple. Okay, just that's it. Just enter string now, enter some string, just a, that's it, true. Okay, write some another string, a must be followed with 0 or more b's. Okay, a b. Okay, here false now. Okay, and write another one, a apple. Okay, write apple here, false here, apple. Okay, and a b b b, true. Okay, because it contains 0 or more bits. Suppose if you want to hit like Abram, like this one, Abram, actually it's false here because ending character must be b here. Okay, because you write a dollar symbol. So if you remove this dollar, just check again, Abram, true here. Okay, so like that. So these R and dollar symbol are starting and ending one. Okay, these all are dollar symbol are starting and end, starting letter, ending letter. Okay, starting letter, if you want to start with a means you have to write R A. Okay, if you want to end with b means you write a letter and the dollar. Okay.